So my name is Satvik Jain and I'm a jeweler. When you're going shopping for wedding jewelry and you're visiting your jeweler for, let's say, your engagement ring, just to make life easier for yourself and your jeweler, you should have a set budget in mind, exactly how much you're looking to spend. When you're going shopping for a diamond ring, you need to be aware of the 4 C's of diamonds. That's the cut, the color, the clarity, and the carat. So people do get confused between a carat of a diamond and a carat of a gold. The caratage of a gold is the purity of the gold, how pure the gold is, and the caratage of a diamond is the weight of a diamond. So all the 4 C's play an important role in deciding the pricing of that diamond. When you're going to buy solitaires, especially larger size diamonds, make sure that your jeweler is providing you with a certified diamond. A certified diamond from a third-party laboratory. A funny misconception is that platinum has always been more expensive than gold, but that's not the case anymore. Gold is actually twice the price of platinum now. So we can say that gold is a more precious metal than platinum is. In India, predominantly, there are 3 kinds of jewelry that are really popular. That's Rajasthani Polki, then there's South Indian temple jewelry, and your fine set 18 karat diamond jewelry. At Shanti Brothers, we have a rich heritage of making color stone jewelry. We don't limit ourselves with just diamond jewelry. We make jewelry with emeralds, rubies, blue sapphires. When you're going especially to buy color stone jewelry, I would recommend when you look at that piece, you should look at the pleasing personality of this color stones. Is the color vivid enough? Is the stone clean enough? Is it reflecting light in a manner that gets you awe-inspired? When you're shopping for important pieces, for high quality jewelry, and let's say you're juggling between 2 or 3 jewelers, and you find that out of the 3 jewelers, one is giving you a great discount, but the rest of the 2 aren't, I'd recommend going to the other 2, because premium items and rarer items should not be coming at discounted prices, because that negates the fact that they're rare to begin with. So be wary of high discounts when it comes to jewelry, because you might fall into the trap of buying something that's of lower quality than you're actually being told it is. So when it comes to buying jewelry online, I would recommend not going over a certain limit when it comes to the price point. Over, let's say, 50,000 rupees, you should generally go to a brick and mortar store, hold the piece of jewel in your hands, look at it, see what price it's coming at, and then compare it to other places as well. Always make sure that your gold jewelry is hallmarked. If it's 18 karat, 14 karat, 22 karat, it's hallmarked by a government certification lab. When you're buying a piece of jewel, from an investment perspective, I would recommend that you pick up a piece that you'll actually enjoy wearing, because even 2-3 years down the lane, when you'll be selling it, you would have actually enjoyed wearing that piece for the period of 2 or 3 years that you owned it.